Hey buddy, today in this video we're making bacon wrapped chicken bites in the air fryer. Let's begin. We're going to prepare the seasoning for the chicken first. We need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. There you go, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of salt. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. There you go, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then we're going to take everything and mix it all together. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to put the seasoning to the side. We have here 2 chicken breasts. We're going to take it out. We're going to cut the 2 chicken breasts into chunks. That. Since this part is thinner right here, we're going to cut it a little bit bigger. Like that. There you go. Spread out the chicken. And then we're going to take the seasoning and we're just going to spread it on top. There you go. We're going to flip it over real quick and do the same thing again. There we go. We also have here Attribution bacon, and I prefer this type of bacon because the slices are really evenly cut. Let's open it up. Take another piece of bacon. We're just going to take the chicken, just wrap it around, and wrap it all around the chicken. And we're just going to take a toothpick and secure the bacon in place. Okay, let's get the rest done real quick. Okay, we have all the chicken wrapped, and now we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to let it preheat at 400 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put the chicken in. There we go, we're making the first batch. Now let's put it in. We're setting the time to 400 for 15 minutes and start. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 8 minutes so far. Now we're gonna flip them over. Smells good. I like the smell of bacon. Okay, we flipped them all over. Now we're gonna put it in for the last 7 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Look at that. Looking wonderful. Okay, let's take them out. And just to make sure, we're gonna check the temperature. And it's well above 165 degrees. So we're good. Okay, this is what we have today. Bacon wrapped chicken bites made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.